I don't know about you, but I love couponing at CVS for my laundry care products because we could save so much money. This week we're going to grab these products for only $2.99 each one. So these are on promotion. Spend $30, you're going to get a $10 extra buck. So I went ahead and picked up the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid, and I'm also going to go ahead and pick up the Downy Scent Beads. They have a lot to choose from, but I went ahead and picked up the one that is $6.99, which is also included. You could use a $2 digital coupon for this one. And I went ahead also and picked up the Tide Pods. There's a $3 digital coupon, and the Liquid a $3 digital coupon. You could choose from a lot of products which are included in this deal, in this promotion. So let's go over the breakdown. Alright, so the Downy Beads are priced $6.99. The Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid $12.99. Brings my total to $32.99. I'm going to use that $6 off CRT and these digital coupons, paying out of pocket $18.97, or you can roll extra bucks, but then you're going to get back a $10 extra buck, making it $8.97 for all of these three products, or $2.99 each one. This is so much cheaper than Walmart. I definitely recommend going to CVS and picking up your laundry care products.